Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm bringing you two iconic summer flowers, the hibiscus and the frangipani. You can use them to decorate bags or turn them into cute hair accessories. I hope you enjoy this super cute and easy to make flower patterns. Let's get started. Here are the materials you need for today's tutorial. For the hibiscus flower, I'll be using light yellow yarn for the petals and color pink yarn for the pistil. For the petal part, start with a slip knot, leave a yarn tail, make a loop. Insert your hook from the back, yarn over, and pull through the loop. Yarn over again and pull through to make your first chain. Continue to make a total of 10 chains. In round 2, after finishing the 10 chains, start in the second chain from the hook. Make one single crochet. Mark this first stitch with a stitch marker. Then make one single crochet in the next 2 stitches. Next, make one double crochet in the following 2 stitches. In the next stitch, make one double crochet. Then make one triple crochet in the next 2 stitches. In the last stitch, make 5 double crochets only the same stitch. Now, working on the other side. Make one triple crochet in the next 2 stitches. Make sure to hide the yarn tail as you go. Then, make one double crochet in the next stitch. One double crochet in the next 2 stitches. And one single crochet in the last 3 stitches. Finish round 2 with a slip stitch into the first stitch you mark. For round 3, start with 1 chain, then make 1 single crochet into the first stitch. And 1 single crochet in the next 6 stitches. Now chain 3, then make 1 single crochet into the next stitch. Repeat this pattern again. Chain 3, single crochet in the next stitch. Repeat this pattern a total of 8 times. Then make 1 single crochet in the next 6 stitches. And row 3 with a slip stitch into the first stitch. Leave a short yarn tail and cut the yarn. Pull the yarn tail to the back. Use the hook or yarn needle to hide the yarn end and trim off any excess. Repeat the same steps to make 4 more petals. Now, let's move on to the pistil part using the color pink yarn. Start by making 3 chains. Then, in the third chain from the hook, which is also the first chain you made, make a slip stitch. Repeat this pattern again, chain 3, and make a slip stitch into the first chain. Do this pattern a total of 3 times. Next, insert your hook from the back of the pistil, pull the loop to the back, and make 12 chains. We make slip stitches into the back loops of these chains like this. Once you finish the pistil, leave a short tail and cut the yarn. Use the yarn needle to hide both yarn tails in the center of the pistil like this. And that's it. The pistil of the hibiscus is done. I use glue to attach the petals together. You can use a clip like this to hold them in place while the glue dries. Then, glue the pistil to the center of the flower. Now, let's move on to the frangipani flower. First, make 11 chains. Starting from the second chain from the hook, make 1 single crochet. Mark the first stitch with a stitch marker. Then, make 1 single crochet in the next stitch, followed by a half double crochet. Next, make 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. Continue with 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Then make 1 double crochet in the next stitch. In the last chain, make 3 double crochets in the same stitch. Next, make 1 double crochet in the next stitch. Remember to hide the yarn tail as you go. Then, make 1 triple crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. Continue with 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches. Then, make 1 half double crochet, followed by 1 single crochet in each of the last 2 stitches. Finish the round with a slip stitch into the first stitch. Leave a short yarn tail, cut it off, and use your hook to pull the yarn to the back and weave it in. Repeat the same steps to make 4 more petals. I use glue to attach the petals together. You can use clips to hold them in place until the glue dries. Add a touch of pink plush to the center of the flower to make it even cuter. And that's it. We finished these super cute summer flowers. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Happy crocheting and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.